Hello, this video is about my favorite semi-automatic custom rifle. Most of the parts are bought at Brownells and I put it together, and it was tested by Austrian government, so everything is okay, and it's my favorite rifle for shooting. So let's go to the details. My lower is from Aero Precision. You find the model on the numbers. I've installed a Phase 5 slide catch, this part here, and a Hyperfire Hypertouch trigger. I love this trigger. It's a one-stage trigger and it is really fast. The barrel is an 18-inch Faxon 223 Wild match barrel. It is stainless, and as you see, it's stainless but it's blacked. Don't know what it's exactly, how they made it black. The muzzle brake, really important part for me, is from TE Titan. It's 3D printed and made of titanium. When you build a rifle with that muzzle brake, make sure that you buy a shim kit for the installation of the muzzle brake. It is adjusted with these shims and not with a crush washer. Small part here to get a better hold of my hand. What you see inside this little part here is an adjustable gas block from Superlative Arms for diameter .750, and the hand guard is from Odin Works. What I think what is really important is that the hand guard and the adjustable gas block have enough space so that the barrel is free float. I had a Schmeisser hand guard which was super slim and it didn't fit with the adjustable gas block. Here the part number of the Odin Works hand guard. What you see here is the GP Ultra Low Mass Bolt Carrier with bolt. It is very light, is the lightest bolt carrier I think on the market, and it has to be well lubricated, but it reduces recoil a lot. The mount, as on nearly all of my rifles, from Spur, and the optic is a Swarovski Z8i with 1:8 magnification. I've installed a ballistic turret which is adjustable, hope you see it, which is adjustable from 50 to 300 meters. I choose this reticle on my optic. If you illuminate the reticle, the dot is lighted, and it is a very fast reticle. As you see, the throw lever to change the magnification from 1 to 8. Here the charging handle from Schmeisser and the ultra low mass bolt carrier from JP in detail. Inside the lower, the Hyperfire Hypertouch trigger with the 2 springs. I choose this trigger because, as one of the reasons why I choose this trigger was because I operate this system with a 22 long rifle conversion kit, and I had no issues with this trigger to fire the 22 long rifle rounds. The problem you normally get is with rimfire, and I solved these problems with this trigger. And it's a win-win situation because the trigger is really fast. I tried with Geissele, I really love Geissele triggers, but I was faster with the Hyperfire Hypertouch. The stock is on a rifle buffer tube, and it's a double star ARFX skeleton stock, also available at Brownells. I really love this stock, very solid. As a buffer I use the JP silent capture spring. I really love this part because of the noise reduction. I'm not really sure about the recoil, but the noise reduction is fantastic. There is a small trick to get the spring out. To get the spring easier out, you have to put down this little notch. What you can do is you can buy this little part, which is normally for garden or something like that, and you can adjust it to the right dimension. And what you do is you put the notch down with this ring and you will get the spring out. So this is how I do it. Put the notch down and the buffer will come out. So here we have the JP silent capture spring and this small part because of the buffer tube in rifle length. It's already included in the package when you buy the JP silent capture spring. You could also install the buffer tube without this notch, but I like to strip the rifle for cleaning or something like that, so the spring doesn't come out, and I like it that way. The Phase 5 slide catch. It works from both sides, and the good thing about this part is that it is all in one. It's one part. When we look at the trigger, very short weight, and it is released. A small part not to forget is this little piece of plastic. I think it's called a wedge, and there is some space between upper and lower, and with this little part this space is closed. It wouldn't be necessary because my upper and my lower work really good together without space, but I installed this little piece on all of my rifles. Here in detail. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video about my semi-automatic custom rifle. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.